Welcome back guys, it's Crypto Rocco here, and in today's video we'll be talking about Ripple and SBI Holdings. So Yoshita Kitao has said the use and adoption of Ripple will be inevitable in the future. He's also said XRP will become the universal standard of digital currency and money. This is massive news guys, and this is a big claim about Ripple, and it's not just come from anybody, it's come from a big chairman of a massive company in Japan. So this has got some weight to it. In this video guys, I'll quickly cover this news and talk about Ripple's price prediction at the end of this video. So guys, this is not actually a new partnership. It's been going on in the background. So Ripple previously said they'll create a app called MoneyTap to settle round the clock domestic payments in Japan. And as I've said before, Japan's a huge player in the financial industry, in a huge market for fintech, and it's got potential for blockchain and cryptocurrencies as well. So this is potentially massive news for Ripple and Ripple's future. If you are a Ripple fan, you should be happy with this news. Also guys, I know if you follow Ripple, you know Ripple gets some criticism for being a bit centralized, and Ripple is a company and XRP is the token. So we want XRP to succeed and not just Ripple. So there are some criticisms, and what I liked about this news that came out is Kitao actually spoke about XRP as well. So he hopes the effectiveness and efficiency of XRP tool will help global cross-border payments to be executed in a matter of seconds. So this is big news guys. He's actually spoken about XRP because XRP is different to Ripple. We want XRP to succeed. I don't really care. I want Ripple to do well as well because they go hand in hand, but we want XRP to be used because a lot of Ripple's products and services can be used without using XRP. We want XRP to be used as well. So guys, this is not just the only news. Japan's SBI launches new bank-backed exchange favoring Ripple. So this is another news which is going to give XRP more exposure, and this new service, this new exchange, is going to be favoring Ripple. So this is again a really positive news. So Japan's financial services called SBI Holdings announced its subsidiary, which was to be crypto exchange called SBI Virtual Currencies. So this is going to be launched guys, and this is going to be again huge news for Ripple, and this year by Yoshita Kitao, the president of SBI Holdings, the guy that I've just spoke to you about before. So Ripple's going to be the choice, and Ripple's going to be the only one supported XRP GPY, but they'll also be adding Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash soon. But again, to see Ripple being kind of headlining a great exchange, a popular exchange potentially from what Kitao and some people are talking about in the community, this is another really positive news for Ripple. So the answer, this is another good point that I'd like to make. So back then he stated that XRP is cheaper, faster, infinitely more scalable than pretty much any other crypto. He also admitted that SBI has invested in Ripple back in 2016, has helped launch a joint venture called SBI Ripple Asia. Obviously Ripple has been a favorite of Yoshita Kitao as well as SBI in general, so it's no surprise that it became the exchange's crypto of choice. So as you guys see, having Yoshitaka Kitao as a partner and a supporter of Ripple would be brilliant news. And Ripple's partner SBI will bring customers from its 23 million user base to its crypto exchange. And as Ripple is favored on that exchange VC trade, this is going to undoubtedly bring loads of volume and potentially massive price increase for Ripple. And Japan, there are only a few government-approved crypto exchanges, and when considered by initiative by SBI Holdings, the crypto exchange launch is an achievement because they're a respectable company, guys. Again, it talks about Yoshitaka's interview. It will be number one in the blink of an eye, so quickly. So even if a tremendous amount of number of customers come, we can build a system that can bear it. Because you know we've had issues with other exchanges when loads of people came in, but Yoshitaka Kitao, the CEO, is saying that it won't be an issue. And he actually he really likes the blockchain revolution that is bigger than the internet. Using blockchain for global payments is central to this revolution, and by dramatically reducing transaction costs, financial institutions and all users of the financial system will benefit greatly. Based on Ripple's estimate, bank can reduce cost processing remittances by 33% using Ripple's technology, and by 60% if you couple it with XRP. So as you can see guys, this is massive news, and he further revealed we are increasingly interested in looking to use XRP for payments. You know, that counters the criticism that people have of Ripple. If more XRP is used, this is only good for Ripple, guys. Finally, guys, it's not just those exchanges. Ripple, there's more positive news for Ripple. I'll probably be covering Ripple a lot more, so if you like Ripple, please subscribe to my channel. So let you see Ripple is being listed on further 5 exchanges. I know we care about the adoption and technological advancement, but being added to exchanges gives exposure, and it is a positive in the short term, guys. So just to summarize it, what is going on with this SBI partnership? Because I've talked about a few different things: apps, money transfers, exchanges. So there are a lot of things going on. But what I'd just like to say is, guys, Forex is a big market, and Japan is a big player, and SBI is one of the biggest Japanese, biggest banking consortiums that represents about 80% of all deposits done in Japan. So this is a great partner to have, guys, and I'm I'm surprised that a lot more people are not talking about it. And because we're in a bear market, maybe it hasn't affected Ripple's price as much. But this is very positive news. Money transfer services between SBI Remit and Siam Commercial Bank Public Limited, the largest private bank in Thailand, makes use of the next generation settlements platform Ripple Solutions from Ripple of the US to provide international remittance services founded on the distributed ledger technology, with plans to employ virtual currencies in settlements, potentially XRP. So even if XRP captures 1% of Japanese forex market, it could result in 10 billion volume made in trades every day. This is huge, guys. One small piece of one corridor, one use case. This is massive news. I'm not saying it will happen, but if they can deliver even 0.5%, guys, 5 billion volume, that is crazy volume, guys. So the future is looking good, and this is like the dream is far away, but we are putting the groundworks for it. And I've talked about the negatives of Ripple as well, so I'm not saying go and buy Ripple. Do your own research before doing it, because Ripple is down massively from where it was before, over $3. It's half a dollar now. Where do I see Ripple going? Again, I think, if it does well and Bitcoin goes up, because Bitcoin is still king, and if Bitcoin goes down, all the cryptocurrencies go down. If Bitcoin do well, I can see Ripple going to $1 maybe, or potentially even $2 by end of 2018. But it's not just about the news, it's about the whole market, the regulations. There's still kind of some issues with Ripple being a security. I know Ethereum and Bitcoin is not, and Ripple could potentially not be one, but there's lots of things that are going on in the background. But if Bitcoin goes on that crazy bull run, it could go to $2 $3 again. Making price predictions is difficult, but this is just my prediction. I'll maybe do a long-term prediction of Ripple as well, because a lot of people are interested in that and potentially what could happen. But if Bitcoin can go to that 25k, what people are saying, or 30-40k, what people are saying, then Ripple can hit all-time highs as well by end of 2018. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. I hope you've enjoyed it. If you have enjoyed it, please scroll down and smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. I do videos on cryptocurrency, price prediction, technical analysis, the whole lot. This video is slightly longer, but I've been doing a lot of shorter videos as well to give you guys all the juicy information in less than 4 or 5 minutes. But this video will be longer because there was a lot to go through, and I'll cover Ripple quite a lot as well. I've done a lot of Ripple videos, so I'll be doing a lot more on Ripple. So if you are a fan of Ripple, subscribe to my channel and message me if you want me to cover a specific Ripple video. I'd like to hear your thoughts. So my question to you guys is, what do you think Ripple's price will be at the end of the year? So comment below with Ripple's price prediction for end of the year. Also, guys, I do half a Litecoin giveaways. So if you want to win half a Litecoin, $50 or half a Litecoin, guys, scroll down, subscribe to my channel, and leave your Litecoin addresses below. Not your Bitcoin address, your Litecoin address below. So for a chance to win half a Litecoin in my next Litecoin giveaway. So thank you very much for watching this video, guys. Subscribe to my channel, smash that like button, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you guys soon with another great video. Thank you very much.